Hey YouTube. So I got a message the other day from on Instagram from somebody, a local welder, about asking. He was asking about stair pans on concrete stair pans that you would find in a lot of apartment complexes and stuff. Is the pans and then they fill them with concrete on top of it, similar to this one right here. This is one. Bought one too many because I didn't know how many I was gonna need when I did a job, and I found there's no good place to get them that I found. If there is, let me know. I kind of find they all a little bit different, and every stair manufacturer have their own little type. That what I think. I could be completely wrong on that, and if I am, feel free to let me know. But from what I found, I've done a handful of them, not too many, but they're pretty simple. This is just 14 gauge. As long as you don't have too much major rust issues on the actual framework, the C channels, or I-beams, whatever they're made out of. It's normally pretty straightforward. Bust the concrete, cut them out, and then get the concrete, cut them out, clean it up, put the new ones in, and then it takes a little bit to get them straight to where they look right. But so this is an example of one that I got made. A local company I had made them. They just bent them up out of flat steel. I was trying to find a source online to buy them that I could have them already made. I figured initially I thought they were all the same, but come to find out they're not. There's quite a few different designs. What I did, I actually found a template from a place online that was similar to this. I went through and measured all of these dimensions, and I wrote it in, and then I sent it to them, and they said no problem, we can make them. And then they went ahead and did that. They cost me about 80 bucks a tread, so I didn't think it was too bad. And then typically I charge about 200 bucks to try to replace them, give or take a little bit. If there's a lot more metal work I gotta do, I'll add on. Price will dictate on that. But sorry about that. But so basically, yeah, I charge about 200 bucks a tread to replace them. I do not do the concrete work. I'll remove it, but I won't put them in. That might be high, that might be low. Let me know in the comment section if whatever y'all think, because that's just what I found kind of was worthwhile for me. And then also the very front one, it doesn't have this bottom bend on it. It's just this front plate, so that's a little different. But yeah, when I looked around, I couldn't really find too much information on them. Oh, and one more thing. Before you order them, double check your width. Make sure the width that you have is the width that you order. First that I did was I ordered 34-inch pans, and they were 36, so 2 inches bigger. That's what I needed. So luckily I had an extra one that I cut 2-inch strips, loaded them in, and did that way. Wasn't exactly the funnest job, but if you get good with it, you can knock these out pretty quick. Like I said, there's probably people that do this every day that hopefully can comment about this, but this is just what I found. Yeah, most of what I do is for apartment complexes and stuff. The one thing I will say about them, a lot of times they're on 30, 60, 90 day pay, so just keep that in mind when you're bidding it. Find out when, who, and how you're getting paid. Just like any job, but they like being the systematic about that. And make sure you get that in writing, because especially when they have a payout, I find some of the people like saying, oh yeah, we'll pay you as soon as you're done, and then they try finagling you afterwards. And like, oh no, it was 90 days, or 60 days, or 30 days, whatever it was. But beside the point, that's just kind of a little bit. I'm gonna put some videos, I'm gonna put some pictures. I think I got a little bit of video from one of those jobs I've done that I'll put in here, probably right after this, just so y'all can kind of see what it was and everything. But yeah, so that's all I got for you today. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Hit that bell notification so y'all get notifications every time I upload. Y'all have a good one. Alright, so this is the job we're doing today. Replacing some of the pans down here. I get this concrete busted out, and then replace them. That's what we got going. Just about to get started here. Yeah, that's about all. I mean, most of them pretty good. Just the first few where the problem's at, probably to that one. That one looks good, so we're gonna get them all off and go from there. But I just wanted to show y'all what I was up to today. Bring y'all back once I get farther along. Okay, guys, these next couple clips are from 2 different jobs I did at the same complex, just different steel pans. I didn't really do too much audio in them, so I'm just gonna do this now. Basically, this is about where we started from, what we got to do. To me, about halfway through it, going through the new ones. These were the ones that were a little too small that I was talking about. And as I'm showing you the rust repair that I had to do on these bottoms. Typically, at this place, that's what I have to do. Just replate everything on the bottom, reinforce it. Get the stair beds in. If you see the little 2-inch I had to add on those to make them work. But yeah, that's basically what it is. I got the truck out there with all the leads strung up. Yeah. Found MIG works pretty good for these stair pans, and you can do it with stick, but find a little bit of MIG and just makes it a lot easier. And this right here is the final product. After we got them all painted up, we primed them, primed front and back, that way they can go ahead and just do it. Got the little rust repair on the bottom that we did, the little plating. Got it all nice and clean and ready to get the cement put back in them and be done. Alright guys, I'm just sitting here editing that video, getting it all straightened out for y'all, ready to upload. But yeah, I just want to do a little recap on it. So like I said, those are just 2 different jobs. Pretty much very identical jobs, to be honest with you. Very identical. Pretty much the same thing, just in different stairwells. So I went through, we replaced them, like I said, and yeah, they were nice little jobs for me. The one took me about all day. The second time I did it, it took me about a half a day. Got knocked out quick. So that was a nice little job, and I'd love to be able to do quite a few of them because I find they're pretty profitable in my opinion. And once you get them figured out, that you can run through them. So there's more work at that complex. I'm just waiting on them to tell me when they want me to do it. So there's a whole set of stair pans that gotta be replaced, but we will deal with them when they tell me to come out and do them. So I already bidded them, so now we just gotta wait on them. So yeah, I just wanted to do a little recap on that video. I want to yeah, if y'all have any questions, comments, feel free to put them in the comment section below. I'd love to see y'all input on this, and if any of y'all have done these pans, or if you're looking to do them, hopefully you find this video helpful. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good week.